Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa. So today we are going to see some fashion hacks. So these are the hacks which will be helping in you that troublesome moment, because we all experience certain things with the uncertain conditions. So these are the things which will help you for that. But before getting started, make sure to click the subscribe button and also bell icon next to it. And also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up after watching. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first hack is going to be for those moments when your jeans is loose. So for a loose jeans or loose trousers, we have two hacks right now which can be used in different occasions. So the first one is using a pin. So basically these are the pins which are made for reducing the size of your jeans. So what you want to do is you have to take one of these pins and you have to attach the hook and eye to your jeans and then just connect it. So that's it. It's just like connecting a bra. So that's it, and it's very easy. It can be used by both men and women if you don't mind. And also I think these things will be available on Amazon a lot. So by the way, Amazon is having their sale right now, so make sure to check it out, and all these things can be available for sale. So these comes for two pairs. This one can be used for one pair and the other one can be used for another pair of jeans or trousers, or you can even gift it to someone. So these are really helpful, but this look very small, but these are really helpful. All the links of every product will be mentioned down below in the description box. The next hack for the same jeans loose hack is going to be this particular belt. So this one has two multifunctional options. This is one way you can use it. You can actually adjust this entire belt and you can adjust it around your hip or waist or wherever, and then you can adjust the whole jeans and without wearing another full-on belt. So this will help you to not use a long ass belt which you don't like to use. This can help in you that way. But this can also help in another way when you want to tuck in your tops. This is going to be our third hack, to tuck in your top. Most of the time whenever we tuck in our tops, it will come out most of the time, even it be shirt or tops or whatever. So right now what you can do is you can use the same belt to adjust it on this way. If you use it in this particular way, it will be staying on place, and also you don't want to worry about that coming out. And on Amazon there is one more product similar to this just to use for this, but I would recommend to get this one. The only one negative side is because this is a bit bulky on these two sides, it can show up if you are wearing a thinner sort of bottoms. So in that case you can use that particular product on Amazon. I'll link that also in down in description box. But other than that, this works pretty well. And the next thing is, we have seen a lot of nipple pasties everywhere in Amazon, but the only thing is I have also bought one. The only thing is most of the time that doesn't get covered. When we are wearing something which is very tight fitting or something, it shows up. So I got this one from Amazon. This comes in a cute little package as well. This comes in one pair. Basically this has a covering on top so that it will be a bit more concealed, but still I can't guarantee that it will be fully concealed, but it can help you a lot while just not showing up your nipples a lot. So this is what it is, and this is very easy to use, reusable million times, because I have this before. This is my second pack. Coming to the fifth hack, whenever we wear something short, it is high time warning that whenever wind comes, everything will just fly away. To prevent such kind of nasty situations, you can use a nude Capri 3/4 leggings. So this is what it is. It comes in a very short manner. It's very stretchy. It's proper leggings, but it is like a 3/4 Capri. Basically this helps to cover in your legs. I think without wearing a black or white one, which might not go with everything, this can go with everything and gives you a more sleeker and natural coverage. So this is what I always use from long time, so I would highly recommend to get this one for you. Coming to the last and final hack, this is going to be something interesting. This is nowadays trending on Instagram, I feel. So basically whenever we wear something tighter, especially a legging or something like a pant or trousers which is a low waist but at the same time which is a bit more tight fitting, but at the same time the problem which happens is camel toe. which is very weird to walk upon. I have experienced this a trillion times. So I mean, not a trillion times, that was just an exaggeration. But the thing is, this can literally help you. It comes in a very nude shade. This will literally hug on your body. This is stretchable, free size, and what this does is this has a coverage over here in the front. So what it does is it doesn't allow the fabric to crumble upon to your inner area, and it won't show up that camel toe sort of situation, which can literally avoid. The only one con is that the elastic is a bit thicker. Other than that, if this would have been a bit more slimmer or like seamless, it would have been much more better. So this is one thing which you can try upon whenever you go for gym or something, whenever you're wearing your shorts or track suits or everything. This can literally help you. I guarantee that. That was not the last hack. There is one more, the 7th hack. So the one issue which most of the girls facing will be whenever you wear a halter top or something which is like a most of the time halter top, the bra will be showed up and you have to get another bra which is detachable, reattachable. Oh my god, a lot of things. So but this particular tiny thing can help you with that. It's a bra attacher, so fixer basically. This comes in 3 colors, black, white and nude shade. So what you can do is connect this to your bra and that will be converting it into a racer back top. Okay, so what will happen, that will be fully concealed without you changing your entire situation inside. All these hacky things are coming under 200-300 rupees. Nothing is very expensive, but at the same time these can help you a lot, not just for you, the people around you. If you're staying in a hostel, it will help you a lot. So these are the hacks for today. If you have made till this point, make sure to comment down a heart emoji right down in the description box. Sorry, not description box, comment box. And also make sure to let me know what would you like to watch next. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I'm sharing a lot of things fashion over there, fashion education, this and that. So make sure to come and follow me over there. And also make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, make sure to give this a video big thumbs up. All the links are given down below in the description box, and make sure to check out Amazon for the sale. A lot of sales are going on, and make sure to grab your deals as fast as possible. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye bye, take care.